Hi Tesla fans, I'm Ellie with T Sportline. The Tesla Model 3 is absolutely crushing it. Worldwide sales, ever since its inception, Model 3s are all over the place. And while Tesla offers a nice range of colors, at the end of the day, with the recent popularity, you're bumping into a similar car like yours every single day. Do you want to look different? Do you want to have a completely different Model 3 experience and even make it look sportier? Check out our TMaxx Aero body kit. It is absolutely incredible. Wow, starting off with a whole new front bumper. Guys, check this out. It's absolutely stunning. I love it. Completely changes the face of your Model 3. And this car in the Tesla blue makes it even more special. We love it when we work on red Teslas and blue Teslas because you know what, you just don't see that color as much as some of the others. And to be able to put our brand new body kit on it really sets this one apart. So the whole front bumper gets completely replaced, old bumper off, new bumper on, gets painted to match, changes the whole face of your car. Now let's go to the rear. As you go to the back of the car, I mean, wow, right? The rear end, the rear bumper gets completely replaced just like the front. This really matches the overall theme that the front bumper offers and gives you a very sporty, very dynamic rear end appearance, especially with this rear diffuser. I absolutely love it. Now, this customer didn't want to stop just there, and I don't blame them because when you do a body kit, you have to change the wheels. You can't be on stock wheels, it just looks a little off. And this customer chose one of our best wheels that we offer for the Model 3. This is our 20-inch TXL 115 wheels. These are one-piece forged wheels, making them lighter than all the other styles that we offer, much lighter than Tesla's wheels. And you know what happens when you reduce unsprung weight? You pick up range and performance. So this Model 3 is actually going to have a lot more range as far as battery life and also be quicker in its performance, and that's because of the reduction of weight on the wheels. Now that you have these 20-inch wheels and this body kit, this doesn't look like your average blue Tesla Model 3 anymore, does it? Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. So many more amazing videos coming your way soon.